What's up, you guys? This one should be a fun one because my thug ass brother came from Las Vegas. So the last time he came, I picked him up and I was driving like a damn fool. He was scared out of his mind. So I'm actually get this one on camera. He's sort of the reason why I'm over here all in love with Need for Speed. But you know how it is, when you get older, you kind of don't want to do that stuff no more. So damn, look at this shit. So yeah, we'll see how he acts. I'm gonna get the car ready. He doesn't know. I'm gonna put the camera kind of stale, so yeah. What happened then?
I was over there where that second white car is at, and he was parked right here in front of the store. I came out to get in my car, I was rolling the blunt, and I heard somebody shut their door. And I looked over, and the dude looked at me. I was like, "How you doing?" Like that. And that fool just got out of his truck and started walking my way. I looked. I was right there. I looked. I said, "He don't look right." I said, "Hold up." I set my shit down, and I got out, and I walked around. I said, "What's up, man? You all right?" He looked around. He was like, "Fuck you, homie. I don't know you." I said, "What you talking about, homie?" And he said, I said, "What I do to you?" And I was being calm, that way he could make me fuck him up. You know what I mean? Right. I stay calm, that way I won't fuck you up. You know what I mean? I stay calm for a reason. That way they can feel like they just finna fuck me up. Yeah. That way when they get close, I'm gonna beat their ass, nigga. Go, I'm telling you. Because if you play calm, they're gonna swing first, you know what I'm saying? Sure. So I like that. Once they swing first, I know I got the upper hand. I'm gonna strike your ass with a counter punch. It's gonna feel like 100 punches hit your ass.
It was a black dude?
A Mexican guy.
Oh, for real? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, that fool, I was like, "What's up? What I do? I said, you alright?" I was like, "Man, I see you tripping, dog." And then he turned around and went back to his truck and grabbed something out of the car. "Where you going?" "I got snow in this motherfucker, man." "Where's you going?"
The boys right there.
Yep. Always turn around. Go. Hit it.
I wanted to show you the car.
Dude, I already know what you're trying to do. Slide right here. Hey! Nigga, don't come!
Like I almost had it, and then I locked it, and then it spun.
I know. I say he caught that shit.
Yeah.
You thought he was gonna fuck up on him.
Nah. I started.
It's like riding a skateboard on.
It's this car. Look at this dude right here.
Nigga, I didn't know we were gonna do all that, girl. I thought you were gonna just do a slide and that's it. Go. That nigga said,
I didn't want to spin out.
Nigga, go. Stop playing. Go on this corner. Not right here, fool. Oh, look, go, Jack. I'm gonna fuck you up, bro. On everything. If I live, I'm gonna fuck you up,
You look at this car right here.
Don't do that shit right here, fool.
Alright, we go home.
I'm used to that one, low key. But shit right here, it's like, hey, dude, I drove off the freeway backwards. I got off right here, dude. I was on the 710. My car wouldn't go and drive, dude. And we had to put it in reverse. We did a U-turn on the freeway, fool, and drove it like right there where the 405 begins at. Yeah. Right there. You can go downward low. I gotta get dressed, nigga.
We just gonna take the freeway back.
The motorcycle did two of them.
You lied, stop lying.
They're coming for sure, nigga. No doubt.
You tried to do that last time. Last time it worked.
Hey, I gotta go see my son, nigga.
We gotta go right now.
I don't do this, dog. I ain't even got no shoes on, bro.
You feel better that way.
That's my feel funny. But anyway, tease up. This camera right here.
That's the camera right there.
This nigga tripping, y'all.
The whole time you didn't see the camera.
I ain't gonna post that shit. Everybody gonna be like, this nigga like here. Hey, I'll tell you one damn thing. I thank the Lord that this nigga got feet game.
He got feet game, huh?
Yeah, that mean that shit feet stink, that's all. My nigga got feet game though.
Damn, I almost had it, but I spun out. I went too wide because I was trying to really go like aggressive.
On that shit, I said, I'm gonna fuck you up. I should have said that. I didn't want to say that. I'm just trying to get you to slow down.
I know, because my damn, the wind keeps hitting my teeth. Make my...
This nigga know I ain't young no more. Love, what's wrong with it?
That's what I was saying.
I'm an old man now.
But how the car feel?
I just look young.
Car feel good though?
Well, that power, dude. A lot. A lot of power. Yeah, they finally closed this store down, huh?
Yeah, right tell the liquor.
My mom probably said, where they at? She called your phone?
She called me.
I know that's what you were doing.
What was I doing?
Took it to the spot where you took me.
No, we didn't have enough time, so I just tried it on the freeway, but I ended up spinning out.
Think out where?
On the freeway?
Andy video me. I didn't even know he was video. That little shh. No, that nigga went.
I know.
No, he lost control.
You did?
I did. I lost control, but I ended up saving it.
That nigga lost control.
That's because you tried to do it too bad.
Yeah, I tried to send it way too hard.
See, he had
Caught him. He didn't even know.
the other day.
He didn't even know the camera was rolling.
He was fine.
Look at this, baby. Look at that. All right, caught him. I know I got like 2 other siblings I want to do a ride along with, but I'm about to give the car. Well, I'm not gonna give the car away. I'm about to sell the car soon. So, luckily he came from Vegas, and I was able to shoot him in the car, give him a little quick ride around. I did spin out, but you know, players fuck up some too. Players fuck up too. Players fuck up sometimes too. But you know, players fuck up sometimes too. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Oh, like the video if you did like it, and see you next time.